the making. Athena. Athena? Okay. Could you tell us something about the picture, Athena?
Yes, me on the hospital.
You're in the hospital that time?
Yeah.
Okay, who's working there?
All the doctors, and I help the doctor.
Very good, you have them. So you're in practice already, yeah? Is there anyone in the family who's also a doctor? Sino?
Yes.
Sino?
No.
May doctor ba sa family? Sino? Si daddy ba? Si ni mami? Okay, siya daw yung doctor sa family. But is mommy a doctor?
She's a nurse.
She's a nurse. And you wanted to become a doctor. Okay, so she will be your assistant. Here is this one. Okay, and you also have ribbons, okay? Oh, I see. And what are you doing there? You're doing your rounds? Yeah, okay, and then you're checking your patients? Okay, and what do you think about the nurses? What they are doing, the nurses?
They are helping the doctor.
Very good. And you as a doctor, what do you do? What do you do?
My best friend is also a doctor.
Okay, she's also a doctor. Okay. Okay, and then when you grow up, your two are working together?
Yes.
Okay, and maybe you can form your hospital, no? Kasi...
I always go there so I can the archive.
Oh, okay, I see. Where is that? Can you name the hospital?
Its name is Bernardino.
Bernardino. Okay, I know that hospital. It's near here, right?
RPS and my house.
And your house is near the hospital?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Once again.